Greetings, my name is Matthew Rackham, and I would like to talk to you today about how robots are affecting the life of the common person. Modern day robotics are all about assisting civilization with its industrial measures and the utilization of repetitious tasks. However, there are so many capabilities that have not yet been realized. Now, machines and automation have been around in our lives in a large part since the Industrial Revolution. Although we have come a long way since the assembly line developed by Ransom Olds in 1901, according to Corday from RoboHub, AI-assisted robots are currently assisting with waste management, surveillance, patient care through medical devices, industrialization robots that are streamlining smart production, and robots in hazardous environments. Now that I have your attention, let's begin with something that we're familiar with. When I say the word robots, most likely you are thinking of the sci-fi action film from 1984, that humanoid form known as the Terminator. Now, robots come in many shapes and sizes, from the industrialization to everyday commercial uses. Some examples that we know of are, according to Bandomi from sciencing.com, robots are just anything that assists with us doing any automated repetitious task, such as the kiosks that we go to get our tickets for our favorite shows, or the grocery checkout lines that we go to for the self-service, the vacuums that come behind us and clean up our homes and our offices, to welding and tool and die robots that are in the industrialized plants that are making those futuristic cars and trucks of our dreams. Pureit from Time magazine wrote an article about how robots are being developed to assist us elderly individuals getting out of bed. They are there to provide companionship for these elderly individuals. They dispense medication. They assist in surgeries. Robots are everywhere. They have jobs in every field imaginable. There's robots such as the UAV that is doing police surveillance in a building, tracking a suspect, or disarming booby traps and bombs. Or like Nelson and his associates, who developed an AI robot that is known as SpyKey, that is monitoring the network and infrastructure of their current business to defend it against any malware or nefarious attackers. Next, I would like to show you how you need robots in the future so that we can continue to evolve. Now, the future of robots can be scary because it's going to mean a lot of changes for a lot of people. According to Thomas from builtin.com, scientists are continuously building more dexterous robots. And those dexterous robots are going to outsource and put about 120 million people out of jobs worldwide. Now, all that manual labor, that's a scary subject to think about, having all these individuals out of a job. However, it gives us the opportunity as humans to retrain and retool ourselves to start jobs as engineers, software developers, or just IT personnel assistants. This solution is going to bring you satisfaction of a better life. Automation is the name of the game with this. Everything from commercial drones delivering packages worldwide to delivery vehicles dropping off your favorite pizzas. Thomas, again from builtin.com, is talked about how robots are constantly evolving. They're no longer going to be that humanoid form. He went in to discuss how there are things such as soft robots. Such an example would be Hassel, which is the hydraulically amplified self-healing electrostatic actuator. Therefore, I need you to take action and embrace this change. The robots have been around here for a long time. They're going to keep evolving. This is for the betterment of humanity. And yes, jobs are going to be lost, but more jobs are going to be coming from this. Better jobs for humanity. This is going to improve the lifestyle of the human race. This is going to improve the quality of the human race. All I need you to do is reach out for it and grasp that better future. Thanks.